What is mesothelioma and mesothelioma treatments option? An important basic fact by Francisco Rodriguez about mesothelioma. Mesothelioma less than http://www.mesothelioma greater than cancer of the mesothelium is a disease in which cells of the mesothelium become abnormal and divide without control or order. They can invade and damage nearby tissues and organs. Cancer cells can also metastasize, spread from their original site to other parts of the body. Most cases of mesothelioma begin in the pleural or peritoneum. When choosing a mesothelioma cancer treatment center, first the mesothelioma patient must decide if he or she wants to be treated at a cancer facility that specializes in treating mesothelioma cancer, or one that treats patients with a number of different kinds of cancer. Next, the mesothelioma patient must decide whether to choose a mesothelioma hospital that offers traditional types of treatment such as chemotherapy, surgery, and radiation, or non-traditional types of mesothelioma treatment such as clinical trials that test new drugs. How common is mesothelioma? Although reported incidence rates have increased in the past 20 years, mesothelioma is still a relatively rare cancer. About 2,000 new cases of mesothelioma are diagnosed in the United States each year. Mesothelioma occurs more often in men than in women and risk increases with age, but this disease can appear in either men or women at any age. Mesothelioma symptoms of mesothelioma may not appear until 30 to 50 years after exposure to asbestos. Shortness of breath and pain in the chest due to an accumulation of fluid in the pleural are often symptoms of pleural mesothelioma. Symptoms of peritoneal mesothelioma include weight loss and abdominal pain and swelling due to a buildup of fluid in the abdomen. Other symptoms of peritoneal mesothelioma may include bowel obstruction, blood clotting abnormalities, anemia, and fever. If the cancer has spread beyond the mesothelium to other parts of the body, symptoms may include pain, trouble swallowing, or swelling of the neck or face. These symptoms may be caused by mesothelioma or by other, less serious conditions. It is important to see a doctor about any of these symptoms. Only a doctor can make the diagnosis. The early symptoms of mesothelioma are often ignored, because they may be caused by a variety of ailments. These symptoms include pain in the lower back or at the side of the chest, shortness of breath, difficulty swallowing, cough, fever, fatigue, abdominal pain, weight loss, and nausea and vomiting. Symptoms of peritoneal mesothelioma. Causes of mesothelioma. The primary risk factor for developing mesothelioma is asbestos exposure. In the past, asbestos was used as a very effective type of insulation. The use of this material, however, has been declining since the link between asbestos and mesothelioma has become known. It is thought that when the fibers of asbestos are inhaled, some of them reach the ends of the small airways and penetrate into the pleural lining. There the fibers may directly harm mesothelial cells and eventually cause mesothelioma. If the fibers are swallowed, they can reach the abdominal cavity, where they can contribute to the formation of peritoneal mesothelioma. Exposure to certain types of radiation as well as to a chemical related to asbestos known as zeolite has also been related to incidences of mesothelioma. There are many mesothelioma treatments and mesothelioma treatments option available. Mesothelioma treatments include surgery, radiation therapy, and chemotherapy. The mesothelioma treatments depends on the patient's age, general health, and stage of the cancer. There has been much mesothelioma research have been done to find the new treatment methods. Mesothelioma is a bad dream to the sufferer. Not only does it take years for the symptoms to appear, but there are limited mesothelioma treatments and drugs that will prolong the lives and improve the quality of life in mesothelioma patient. Hope that this article can bring information about mesothelioma and mesothelioma treatments. Francisco Rodriguez about the author. You need mesothelioma attorney less than http://www.mesotheliomaattorneyfreeconsultation.com greater than